The HTML5-based vSphere client allows you to create and use subscriptions to distribute VM templates across vCenter server instances. A subscription links a publisher library to an existing or new subscribed library. Unlike regular subscribed libraries, subscriptions give the administrator of the local library control over the distribution of content. With subscriptions, the content of the local library is distributed either through synchronization, which is initiated by the subscriber, or through publishing, which is initiated by the administrator of the publisher library. When you create a subscription for a local library, you can publish content to the subscriber library whenever you want. To create a subscription, navigate to a content library. Note that you can create a subscription only if the local library has publishing enabled. Right-click the content library and select New Subscription to open the Create Subscription wizard. Follow the prompts to configure the subscription. You can create a subscription to a new library, which creates a new subscribed library and triggers automatic synchronization of the OVF templates. Alternatively, if you want to publish VM templates to an existing library, you can create a subscription that links the publisher to an existing subscribed library. Note that in both cases, the subscriber can be in a vCenter server instance different from the publisher's. In this example, we create a subscription to a new library and select to download the content only when needed. The new subscription appears on the Subscriptions tab for the local library. You can now publish content to the subscriber. Whereas regular subscriber-initiated synchronization works with OVF templates only, publishing works only with VM templates. This means that you can publish a single library item only if it is a VM template. To publish a VM template to a subscriber, open a content library that has publishing enabled. Click the Templates tab. Right-click a VM template from the list and select Publish. The Publish Template dialog box opens. Select a subscriber library from the list. You can select one or multiple subscribers. Note that the publisher and subscriber can be in the same vCenter server instance or in instances that are in enhanced linked mode or hybrid linked mode. Click OK. The published VM template appears on the Template tab of the subscriber. The HTML5 client also allows you to publish an entire library to a selected subscriber. Open a content library that has publishing enabled and click Subscriptions. Select a subscriber from the list. You can select one or multiple subscribers. Again, the publisher and subscriber can be in the same vCenter server instance or in instances that are in enhanced linked mode or hybrid linked mode. Click the Publish button. A dialog box asking for confirmation opens. Confirm that you want to publish the library. If the library contains VM templates and other types of files, for example OVF templates, only the VM template are replicated to the subscriber. The VM templates from the publisher library appears on the Templates tab of the subscriber. For more information about subscriptions and managing content libraries, see the Virtual Machine Administration documentation at docs.vmware.com.